Hello everybody, this is Jeremy Williams with Team Orion. I want to do a little walk around with Dorthy CRX. We've got Spring Break Nationals coming up next week. Vehicle is still under construction, so excuse the messes. This car will be competing in NSPL, IASCA, ISPLL, and DB Drag. Whoops! Whoops! Orion HCCA. Yes, that is correct. 17,000.1D SBLX. The newest 17,000.1D. The ones with the triple inputs, the ones that I tested at 20,000 watts, the ones I used last year in DB Drag Finals in the van. All right, so in the back we got two of the HCCA 15-inch SBL woofers. These are the regular SBLs. These are not the new SBLX. So we still have a lot to do in this car. So far, pretty pleased with how it's performing. Just thought I'd give everybody a little walk around so they can see what's coming up. You want to see what kind of numbers she does? Well, come on down to Daytona. Spring break. Whoops!